Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well and enjoying your good health. Today I am gonna start a new video on the 25 ways to make money online, offline, and at home. My name is Johan and I am gonna start with this video. I hope you are all doing well and enjoying your good health. First of all, I wanna tell you that how to make money online. Making money online is a sweet spot people look for in the gig economy. Whether you aspire to be six-figure social media influencer or just looking to supplement your regular income with some online side jobs, we have found some visible options. Number one is pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelancer jobs such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being virtual assistant. Fluent is the second language checks sites such as Django or Blend Express or drum up business through a site of your own. No matter what freelancing you do, keep track of the going rates of the kind of work you provide so you know what to change. Total time it can take a while to get your first gig. 24 hours. How easy to start? Easy if you are have the expertise. Varies by site how fast you will get paid. Number second is test websites and apps. Another way to make money from home is to sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well or not so well certain websites are and app works. You will have to complete a short test to accept it. Then you will be paid depending on the test type. Number third is pick up task on Amazon Mechanical Turk. Even the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies often outsource those jobs to be our crowdsourcing marketplace like Amazon's Mechanical Trunk. As a worker, the task you will be assigned can be tedious. Tagging images, transcribing videos, classifying receipts. Number fourth is the take surveys for money. You can make money from home by taking online surveys, but don't accept to earn a lot. Survey sites don't typically offer a big payoff, and many sites are more useful for earning gift cards than cash. Some of the most popular survey sites, including Swagbucks and the Survey Junkie. Number fifth is make money from your blog with affiliate links. If you are a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliate that you get paid when someone clicks through from the website to the partner site and buys something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money this way. Read more about affiliate marketing. Sell your wares on Etsy. Have a penchant for working jewelry making, embroidery, or pottery. Sell your crafts on Etsy. The for attraction selling home goods, art, and knickknacks. Number seven is self-publish on ebook. Writing a good book is tough, but the internet makes it easy to bring it to market. If you are a writer who can churn out pages, you can use Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing to sell your books on the Kindle store. It's free to publish a book. Number 8 is getting advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your cat videos into cash videos. If your YouTube video or blog post draw a big audience, you may be able to make money from advertising. YouTube sets 1,000 subscribers as a benchmark for applying for the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube partners that can access the monetizing features, including a share of ad revenue. You can also use Google AdSense, the same and platform on YouTube, to put relevant ads on your blog or website or earning potential. Becoming an Instagram influencer. I hope you have liked my video. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment so that I can get your feedback. Thanks. Goodbye.